आज जो हम बात करने जा रहे हैं, तो हम एक अर्बन स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल को हमने लिया है और एक रूरल स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल को हमने लिया है और हमने कोशिश हम ये करेंगे कि हाउ the both the schools are running, because in this pandemic situation the rural and the urban, both the schools are facing their own challenges. So let's figure it out, that what are the challenges for our Indranil sir, who is a principal of an urban school, and what are the challenges faced by Shobha ma'am, who is a principal of a rural school with 1,000 students. And it will be a completely eye-opening session for all of you. Trust me on that. Completely eye-opening session. So I welcome you both into a very, very important talk in the Park Kid community. Now, हम लोग जो देख रहे हैं इस वक्त कि I have seen a recent teacher Prachi, DAV college, I think DAV school में वो job करती हैं और इन्होंने बहुत ही एक heartful message भेजा है that how she thinks कि teachers are deprived, yet teachers are coming out, teachers without even training, they are giving so much to the students. The whole school system has migrated to online without any proper notification, everything. So first of all, I should thank principals like you who have actually done it. So kudos, thank you so much कि आप लोगों ने इतने अच्छे से सारी चीजें इस वक्त मैनेज कर रहे हैं. But on the other hand, I are facing right now. I will start with Shubha Ranjan ma'am. Ma'am, please give your introduction and then you can say.
I am working in IATV Educational Academy, Dev Guradia. Basically, my school caters rural students, and it is a charitable trust who is manage the school. Anaj Mandi people are there. Anaj Mandi people are there and they are managing. At present, in our school, about 1,000 students are there. Isn't it? And from nursery to 12th it is. And I am founder principal of that school. Since 2002, I am there. And it's...
You're doing a great job, ma'am. Actually, cementing rural education.
Yes.
हम सब बात करते हैं, आपको एक्चुअली कर रहे हो, तो उसके लिए
कर रहे हैं. हाँ. पूरे ग्रामीण क्षेत्र किसान के बच्चों को हम लोग प्रेफरेंस देते हैं. हमारे स्कूल फार्मर्स के जो बच्चे हैं उनके वार्ड्स को हम प्रेफरेंस देते हैं कि नहीं आपको आना है. हम उनके घर घर जाते हैं.
इस वक्त आपको सबसे ज्यादा चैलेंज क्या फेस हो रहा है?
चैलेंज मुझे एज ए ऑनलाइन तो पढ़ाने में कोई बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं आ रही है. बच्चे सब ऐड हो रहे हैं और खुश होके हो रहे हैं. पेरेंट्स बहुत खुश हैं. तो लग रहा है हम जब स्टार्ट करेंगे तब किस तरह के चैलेंजेस रहेंगे वो हमको जरूर फेस करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि वो ग्रामीण क्षेत्र है. ग्रामीण क्षेत्र के पेरेंट्स कैसे रिएक्ट करेंगे, किस तरह के सेफ्टी और प्रिकॉशंस उनको, क्योंकि वो सब जॉइंट फैमिली में रहते हैं. उनका सब दादू दादी सब एक साथ, सब ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स भी साथ में रहते हैं. तो उसको थोड़ा फेस कैसे हमें करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, वो थोड़ी एक प्लानिंग मेरे को करके फिर आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा. ये बात सच्चाई है.
अभी यहाँ पे बहुत सारे टीचर्स जब मैंने टीचर्स कम्युनिटी से बात किया तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि उनको फीस टाइम पे नहीं मिली, उनकी जो सैलरी है वो टाइम पे नहीं मिली है, पेरेंट्स पे नहीं कर रहे, बट आर्थिक मंदी भी चल रही है, देयर इज अ रिसेशन दैट इज गोइंग ऑन. तो इन सब के चलते स्कूल्स के पास पैसे नहीं आ रहे, स्कूल टीचर्स को नहीं पे कर पा रहे. इसमें आपका टेक क्या है? For this, I would like to say, Indranil sir, can you please give your introduction and throw some light on this? And then we can get back to Shubha ma'am.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. I'm Indranil Banerjee, and I am currently principal of Imperial Academy, which is situated on Khandwa Road in Indore. Now, this school is one of the oldest schools in Indore, and we cater to all kinds of students. But there are students who as Shubha madam said, that there are people who come from rural areas also. And in my school, there are people who are very, very, sincere while paying fees. There are some people, they make the point that they pay their fees on time. But who will be late, perennially late, and that they would try to waive off the late fees and stuff. And so now in this phase, what has happened is the school suddenly locked down and stuff, So it's absolutely a lull. Recently, some families have approached the MLA and submitted a petition that the fees for that particular quarter should be waived off. But the thing is, these people don't understand that there are some fixed costs. The school has to bear. I mean, even if the school is closed, the electricity, the water tax, whatever, there are people, the guards are there. There are staffs who are maintaining the school. They have to be paid. And see, generally, I have found that there are the people who are literate. They really understand. You tell them, they will understand. But the problem is that I guess there are some people who don't understand the value of education. They try to measure this education with money. They try to compare it. कि मैं 5 रुपए दे रहा हूँ, तो मेरे को 5 रुपए का education मिलना चाहिए. Something like that. But education is far beyond that. So it's you are making this boy who comes to your school, you are shaping his future and making him into a capable human being.
Absolutely.
So this education is far more than that fees that they are paying. Okay, but that people don't understand. I mean, I guess maybe because of the situation, the socio-economic situation in our country, and but yes, there are people who pay their fees. Yes.
They only say what I believe with my little understanding is that कि बहुत सारे parents, सबसे पहले तो ये एक चीज हमेशा हो सकता है समझ ले कि schools कभी बच्चों को निकालते नहीं है, which is very true.
Yeah.
कभी बच्चों को नहीं निकालते हैं. Parents do support, but on the other hand, there are some parents who take it lightly. So it's my urge to all the parents कि please जिस तरह से स्कूल आपके बच्चों को हमेशा सपोर्ट करते हैं, इस दौरान आपको स्कूल को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए.
And let me tell you, if a parent does not pay the fees, you can't tell the student that you don't come to the school. Okay, okay. So
और teachers, I don't think as a principal आप कभी भी ये चीज करना भी चाहेंगे. You will never do that.
You can't because see, we don't want that child to miss out on education just because that his parent is not able to pay the fees. Say maybe on the 10th, he will pay on the 12th. So I tell him, Nene, you don't come on the 11th, okay? You come when your father has paid the fees. We don't do that. We think that that this kid is going to miss out on education, on the classes, on the subjects that is being taught maybe on that day on 11th, and he's going to miss out on that. So we don't ever do that. Rather, I'm telling you, and I guess Madam Shubha Madam,
yeah, Shubha ma'am, what is your take on it?
Agree that she has people calling up from the accounts department, calling up, hey suno, and please sir, I think your fees they are due. When are you going to pay it? So they do it, every third day, second day, and the parents give some excuse or the other. But we make it a point that the child comes to the school.
Absolutely, that is so beautiful.
I am facing 5 to 8% every year. ये chaos के समय की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं कि पेंडेमिक हुआ इसीलिए. ये हर डिमोनेटाइजेशन के बाद से तो ये प्रॉब्लम है. It is there. 5 to 8% people ऐसे हैं जिनके पास पैसा है but they do not want to pay. ऐसा नहीं पैसा नहीं है, खूब अच्छे से है उनके पास, बल्कि जिनके पास नहीं है वो कैसे भी करके दे रहे हैं.
घर का लोन, गाड़ी का लोन, बाकी सारे
बहाना सब रेडी है, एक्सक्यूजेस हैं उनके. और सबसे बड़ी बात मुझे जो लगती है, बच्चे की गलती नहीं होती है. बच्चे को हम पनिश कितनी बार करेंगे? 1 बार, 2 बार, 3 बार. बच्चे की गलती नहीं है, बच्चे को क्यों पनिश करें? अल्टीमेटली हम किसके लिए हैं? बच्चे के लिए, पेरेंट्स के लिए नहीं. दिस इज माय थिंकिंग.
True.
दिस इज माय थिंकिंग कि हम बच्चे के लिए हैं. बच्चे बिना हमारा स्कूल नहीं है.
I mean, नहीं शुभ मैडम, I also
कि आज के डेट पे जहां आप दोनों अपने अपने स्कूल में you are struggling, literally struggling to give the fees to the teachers, fees to the drivers, to the sweepers, to the people who
Each
are
and everybody.
each and everyone, still at that point you are thinking about कि बच्चों को पढ़ना चाहिए, बच्चों को आगे पढ़ना चाहिए. That is the beauty of the school system that we already have in India, I think. वही गुरु शिष्य का रिश्ता होता है.
No, I mean, you know, I wanted to add to what Shubh madam said. These people, there are some parents, you know, because of some wrong decision in their business, they, you know, they stop paying the fees because they don't have the money.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So that means what? That means we can infer that, you know, the sense of responsibility which we had in our times when our parents used to send us to schools, I mean, I think that sense of responsibility is lacking now.
Yes,
I remember my father used to tell me, suno, you know, that देखो पैसा रख दिया मैं और बैग के अंदर, okay, और जाके फीस पे कर देना. So it was like, you know, we were groomed that way. So not only to the school, even if we are going to some tuition or coaching or whatever, I mean, it was the duty of my father or my mother. They would give me the money and say, "Sir ko de dena, madam ko de dena, whatever." But see,
the parents are ready to pay in coachings. They are ready to pay in huge amount in coachings, but not in school. School is last priority.
I do
not know why.
In school, you know, according to rules, we follow rules. So
that's why
we can't, you know, they know that my son is going to go to school. Okay, well, even if we don't pay the fees, the teachers or the principal is not going to chuck them out.
You know, that is, I think, the beauty of Indian education system, to give as much as we can to our students.
But
ये सबसे बड़ी बात है. But also that we are also one of the most deprived ones कि हर चीज के लिए स्कूल रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है, पढ़ाई, पेरेंट्स को समझाना, टीचर्स को देखना, लेकिन जब स्कूल को जरूरत होती है तो नहीं.
It's always one way. I mean, for some people it is one way. I can't blame everyone. There are some parents who really understand and they really cooperate. Okay, I can't blame them. I mean, they're nice people and they are always there. They cooperate with the school. But yes.
But what is the percentage of those people in Indonesia?
I guess
it's very less or too much.
See, it varies from city to city. Indore is a business hub. So, you know, everything is very materialistic here. So, you know, these kind of people in my school would be 5% or say maybe 10%, okay, who are really like this. They understand, they will come to you and they will, you know, they are going to interact with the teacher, stuff like that. Acha, book fair hai, madam, you know, kaun sa book lena chahiye. This we see in Durgapur. Durgapur is a steel city. So, you know, the parents are, you know, doctors or engineers or, you know, they are the service class. So they are very, very sincere when they come to the PTM. They would, you know, they would ask so many questions.
What about you, Shubhra ma'am?
No, it is not there. It is not there.
See?
I am not facing this type of problem.
नहीं,
हमारे यहाँ नहीं है ऐसा. हमारे यहाँ देखिए, parents तो illiterate हैं. They are not illiterate.
No, she's talking about the cooperation part. Like, you know,
no, they are cooperative. In my school, they are cooperative. 5 to 8% are there. वो हर साल रहते हैं. मुझे otherwise कोई problem मैं face नहीं कर रही हूँ कि नहीं देंगे या कोर्ट में चलेगा या किसी को शिकायत कर रही है कि पैसे क्यों ले रहे हैं. It is not there in my school.
नहीं, that is so beautiful. I really want to say, actually इस यहाँ पे ना एक सबसे बड़ी एक एग्जांपल है the farming community, जिन्हें हम बोल सकते हैं कि जिन्हें हम जनरली बोलते हैं कि illiterate है, नहीं जानते, वो actually कोई problem नहीं create कर रहा है.
नहीं कर रहा है.
That is not part of the same. And whereas the educated people who are what do I say? Like there must be a problem for sure, but then also not willing to pay to the teaching community जो आपके बच्चे को सबसे ज़्यादा hold on करके रखते हैं. That is painful.
Nee, I'll give you an example. I was in Dhamnod, and there, they don't follow any quarter, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter.
They do not follow. फसल आया और दे दिया पैसा.
फसल, हाँ. So they
फसल आया,
हाँ.
क्रॉप आएगा मैडम दे देंगे. हमें निश्चिंत क्रॉप आया पैसे दे दे.
They're very 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 sincere that way.
उस मामले में सिंसियर हैं. हमको इसीलिए प्रॉब्लम नहीं फेस करना है.
तो
पैसा आ जाएगा.
हाँ.
So actually this is the wow moment of today's talk, that the farming community, those whom we think that they are not aware, वो सबसे ज़्यादा aware होते हैं और they are most loyal to the school system.
Yeah.
So we should learn from this. The whole talk, the crux that I am figuring out right now is I'm really really thankful जो हमारे farmers है, जो हमारे लिए अनाज उगाते हैं, वो सिर्फ अनाज नहीं उगाते, वो स्कूल सिस्टम के लिए भी एक मिसाल कायम कर रहे हैं कि हम आपके साथ हैं.
नहीं, they come and support. You tell them, they'll come. ऐसा है, सुनो ऐसा वो पंडाल लगाना है. Oh yes sir, ठीक है माँ, they'll come. They are
very supportive. I'm not facing this type of problem. That's why
they're very helpful.
Indralin can face this problem.
Yeah.
You will have to face.
Yes.
So Imperial, because
the moment you are in the city, where where some people read some books and then become intelligent, and
today's whole talk I can sum it up as for me it's a huge revelation between the urban schools and rural schools.
Yes.
And such a huge difference of opinion.
Yeah.
And one thing is there in my school, few students, like few percentages there who are coming from urban area also.
Mm-hmm.
They are creating problem. जिनको थोड़ा सा ज्ञान होता है ना, वो तकलीफ देते हैं. This is my experience.
Yeah, I mean a little knowledge
this is my experience.
नहीं सही है. I agree. I mean
उन्होंने न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ लिया कि एजुटेशन चल रहा है कि स्कूल में पैसा नहीं देना है. क्योंकि 2 महीने स्कूल बंद था, उसमें बस फीस नहीं देनी, मेस का फीस नहीं देना, टीचर्स ने पढ़ाया नहीं, ऑनलाइन कोई पढ़ाई होती है क्या, वो क्रिएट करेंगे. पर वो परसेंटेज कितना मेरे स्कूल में तो कम है.
नहीं, एंड लेट मी टेल यू कि शुभ मैडम के स्कूल में देखना वो पे भी करेंगे फीस.
वो करेंगे, वो तो करेंगे, हम करवा लेंगे उनसे.
बट इन माय स्कूल आई एम टेलिंग यू देयर विल बी सम that I had to declare summer vacation. You know why? Because I have got all kinds of students. So there are some students who don't have those facilities for online classes. How am I going to take the classes there? How am I? But still my teachers have taken classes.
Thank you so much for this really eye-opening session. I just hope that people understand that what it is for us to conduct school system, to conduct that the school goes on, and how parents should be involved and how they should be supportive. It's a complete opposite way of thinking today that I have got. I'll get to you on a personal note as well, but I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being so generous and gracing our Power Kid community.
Thank you. Pleasure was all ours. It was
thank you.
So what I've learned from this beautiful session is that we should not judge a person from where they are coming. एक रूरल स्कूल इतने अच्छे से चल रहा है, whereas in urban schools we are really fighting for peace. हमें सीखना चाहिए हमारे फार्मर कम्युनिटी से कि वो सिर्फ हमारे लिए अनाज नहीं उगा रहे. जो आज के डेट पे सब हमारी गाड़ी खड़ी है, हमारी जो इतने महंगे सामान है वो कहीं अगर निकल नहीं रहे हैं तो इट इज ऑफ नो यूज. बट द वेरी बेसिक थिंग, खाना जो हमारे लिए उगाते हैं, वो सिर्फ खाना नहीं उगा रहे हैं, वो हमारे एजुकेशन को भी कितने अच्छे से सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. आई एम really thankful to Indranin sir and Shubha ma'am for throwing such huge light to my knowledge that how things work. Thank you so much, and I sign off for today. See you in the next session of Power Kid Power Talk for sure. Take care.